Right, you're back with G&G Fleet Services. Tonight's video might be getting the exhaust sorted on this. It's got blow on the Atigo exhaust. We've got new downpipe. It's been out most of the day though, so we're just letting that cool down. So hopefully that is one part. But the main part is pre-MOT crap on the six-wheel Nissan d22 Navara. It's been for an MOT, failed. Wiring on for the rear lights has been messed about with. Brake pipes are just hanging in places, cables are just hanging underneath the chassis. The exhaust isn't mounted properly because it's got stacks. So we think where it goes up behind the cab, it's not been, the two stacks haven't been braced. So we are going to start off with banging a bit of high-vis tape, reflective tape on it, on the back, because the spec hasn't got anything apart from a couple of old battered reflectors. Then we're going to get back lights off, start tracing wiring back, just see where we can go from here tonight. We've got a couple of hours, so hopefully, unless I get a call out, so we're going to crack on with this for a bit. Keep updated. Right, so we've got a couple of bits of reflective tape on here, and now we're going to start getting underneath, having a look at all the crap in there. We've got to reattach the cables on the winch. Got to run diagnostic as well. But basically we just got to get it so it'll go for an MOT. And then it will be up for sale apparently. Got a couple that are going up for sale, so keep an eye out. I'll bang them on the page. We'll get a little blip so you can hear it. Beast. One thing that customer didn't realise is someone's painted over warning lights. So got to get the old Autel out. Big shout out to Autel, and do a diagnostic on it and see what's going on. So we've got a bit of a wiring fault on this side. Definitely. Indicators on, that indicator's working. This one isn't. Number plate lights flashing. Hazards don't work at all on the back. But it does look like if we have a look. Right down there, there's a load of cables that have been twisted together. I'm hoping that is part of the problem. Hopefully. Right, well, we've done diagnostic scan on it. It's just come up coolant sensor and stuff. So nothing major, because all that's been changed. We're now back onto the lovely wiring. I'm taking that's original vehicle wiring because it goes down there. That I'm taking goes to these lights. That is obviously trailer lighting, but they're wireless. And this goes down to the back lights in there, which is then been hacked into the original wiring loom. So that might be part of the problem. So I am going to have a little look, get rid of all this crap, and see what I can do. Right, there we go. This is the wiring centre. I don't like slagging off other people's work, but whoever's done this should not be allowed near a vehicle. It has been bodged. And now I've got to try and get it fixed so the customer can sell it. Well, so it can get through an MOT, so the customer can sell it. So if anyone buys a 6-wheel bright orange Nissan Navara on a 53 plate, at least you'll know the wiring's decent, because I'm doing it. This might be, though, more than a single video. It might be 2 or 3 different parts video, obviously, because I'm going to have to order stuff and get approval off the customer first. I think the customer might just say, there's a can of petrol, set fire to it for me. But we'll crack on and hopefully get it sorted. Right, now we're under DMAT Navara. Not many we're working on it, isn't it? Few cables that are fucked about with here. So I'm just going to get the soldering iron out and yeah, solder them up, heat shrink them. I think I've got a bit of this spirobandy conduit-y stuff as well. We'll do that, or a bit of loom tape. Tidy it up and try and get it cable tied somewhere, but it's going to be safe. Well, we'll crack on with that and be back in a mo. Right, getting it a quick trace, and it's gearbox diff sensors. It's up here. It's up here. Down and to this. So it's not anything to do with the trailer wire, the rear light wiring. So hopefully all the faults are at the back of the truck. Hopefully, but we are going to sort it out, get it all cable tied up, soldered and stuff, and heat shrunk. But yeah, we'll get that done now. Right, we're going to start with this. Big shout out to Nebo for their Big Larry rechargeable. Good quality work light. And obviously Alfred's. Oh, we're going to get this done, get this crimped and not crimped, all stripped back, cleaned up and soldered and heat shrunk. Right. So it's a bit tidying out, it all heat shrunk and ducted. Conduit, spec conduited. We've got that moved off, like the suspension torsion bar thingy my job. So that's a bit tidier. Right, well, that's going to be a wrap for tonight on the Navara D22. I've got a call out to go to, roadside job on a Denison trailer, so I've sort of got to shoot off to that. Also need to order some parts for this. Basically I've cleared codes that I can clear with the auto. I've done that wiring at the side of the gearbox, heat soldered it, heat shrunk, loom taped it, secured it up so it's not dangling, because that was an advisory on the MOT. Still got to mess about with rear lights. I'm basically just going to rewire them. I'm going to order some bits, get some cable, some prop connectors. Again, I might solder and heat shrink it or what. Get that done. Got a bracket, didn't show you on the video, but I've checked how the stacks are mounted, and it is literally just, I need a universal exhaust hanger. So we're going to get one of them ordered. Thought I had one in the van, but I haven't, so we're going to get that sorted. Then hopefully it can go back, get an MOT on it, and the customer can decide what he wants to do with it, whether he's keeping it or selling it. I think he is going to sell it. He did say it's not something he's really keen on having on the fleet, on his fleet, so it's a good showpiece. You know, bright orange 6-wheel drive Nissan Navara spec lift. You know, for the right person, you know, as a show vehicle, it'll be sound as a pound. You know, spec works and everything. It's got a brand new winch on it. So, like I say, I think the gentleman will be having it up for sale soon, once it's MOT'd and that, and once I've done what I've got to do to it. Well, do what I've got to do to it first and then get it MOT'd. So, if it is, I'll put a thingy up on the video. I'm babbling there, aren't I? But yeah, so this is Beast. Going to call it a night on this video, so there will be a part 2, maybe a part 3 of this video. But for now, have a good evening. I'm going to go and sort this Denison trailer out, and as it's Friday, I'm going to go and have a beer, because it's been a long week. Bye for now.